Jamb 2019 Principles of Accounts, past question 23. Journal proper is used in recording. Journal proper is used in recording. If you look at the uses of journal, the uses of a journal, number one use of a journal is for correcting bookkeeping errors. Correcting bookkeeping errors once discovered. Number two use of the journal is writing off revenue. Writing off revenue, expenses and provisions. To the profit and loss accounts. To the profit and loss account. Number three is passing adjusting entries. Passing adjusting entries at the end of an accounting year. So the receipts and payments of money is not what journal is used for. There's always a cash book for that. A cash book or sales stroke purchases day book that records what happens per day. So credit sales also has to do with sales day book. So this is sales day book. Returns from customers, this with returns day book. So transactions that are not regular, has to do with the journal. So this is where journal comes in. So option D is the right option. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.